What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Today we are going to be checking out the new gaming wireless headset from Razer, the Razer Nari. Now I know you guys, I know my subs, you guys love wireless gaming headsets, so I picked these up to test out for you guys. And well, believe it or not, I think this might be one of Razer's best products to date. But can they overcome some of that Razer suspect build quality issues that they always have, or the buggy Synapse software from the past? Find out today. Upon taking the first glance at the Naris, you might think that they are on the heavy side. Well, contrary to what you might think, these are actually super light, and to my surprise as well. I'd say that this is up there with comfort for me for any gaming headset that I've ever tried. The ear cups have leather on the side but cloth on the inside. I'm not sure why they did this. I'd rather have it be all leather, but that being said, they do stay very cool during long gaming sessions and aren't scratchy like some gaming headsets are. Logitech. Sorry guys, I had to clear my throat there. On the left ear cup, you'll find a mute button, a volume scroll, a power button, a place for the USB charger, and not only that, you can actually connect them to your computer or your gaming consoles through the USB port. Some companies don't let you do that, so it's nice to see that Razer allows you to do that. Speaking of which, you can use this with your PS4, your PC, your Xbox, so I like that it's multifunctional. You're getting a lot of value. It also has a 3.5mm aux output, which allows more connection options other than Bluetooth and USB. Also on the left ear cup is the microphone, which you can tuck into the headset when you're not using it. On the right ear cup, there's a slot for the USB receiver and another surround sound volume rocker. The volume rocker for the volume on the left ear cup actually controls the voice to gain ratio. So let's say you want to hear voices more, you can turn it up or down, but I didn't find that it worked that well. I don't know, it was a little weird. I don't think that it works that well, to be honest with you guys. I'm just being honest here. The outside of the headphones look metal, but they're actually plastic, which lends them to being a little bit lighter. The headband is actually a standout in these headphones. It uses a spring mechanism to form the band to your head, and to be honest, it's one of the best, if not the best gaming headbands that I've currently tried. Time will tell though how this headset actually stays together. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm watching you, Razer. You better work. The sound quality of the headphones surprised me so much, guys. I mean, good amount of bass for gaming and movies with enough clarity to let you hear your teammates' voices. You can actually turn on surround sound instead of stereo in the Synapse software, which helps a bit, but they are not as spacious as I would think with ear cups of this size. I just can't really place where my enemies are with these headphones. I don't know what it is. It's not as spacious as I would like it to be. You can also adjust the EQ, which works well, but I felt like the stock settings on the Naris gave the best results. Also in the Synapse software, you can also increase the bass, vocal clarity, sound normalization, but I felt as if each one of these settings just borrowed power from other areas of the headphones, like the midtones, to try to power the bass, which I didn't like. I would like to have seen them keep the same clarity in the music, but with added bass on top. Here is a test of the microphone. Let me know what you guys think. I think it sounds pretty decent.
Alright guys, how do I sound? Am I tinny? Am I accurate? Am I bassy? I think this mic actually sounds pretty good. Let me know down in the comments below.
It's not amazing. I don't think it's as good as like a mod mic, but it's definitely up there. In the mic settings, you can actually adjust the volume and input sensitivity, reducing ambient noise and things like that. But like I said, I felt like these settings are just there, but don't really work that well. You can also change the RGB of the headphones, but I never really got why companies put draining lights on the outside of wireless gaming headsets when you can't even see them when you're playing. So does it really matter? I don't know. Guys, I don't get it. I mean, if you get it, let me know down below. The Bluetooth range is also nice. Okay, I have a secret, guys. When I queue up to go on my games, I usually go to the bathroom with these on. Is that gross? I don't know. But I don't want the game to start without me, so I'll just run back. It might be gross, but I call it efficiency, all right? Alright guys, so that has been my review of the Razer Nari headphones. Decent gaming headset coming in at $150. It has good sound for most applications, but I would like to see them do more with the surround sound, add more of that spatial awareness in here, and these would be pretty much close to perfect. As for build quality, we'll just have to see how these hold up over time. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more tech videos coming at your face. It has been your boy BT, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.